Thanks for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be unboxing Glitz Glam Box. I like that it's green this month, assuming to celebrate St. Patty's Day. This box runs $15 a month. You get one lash, one glitter item, and 2 to 3 full-size beauty products. You get a nice little card which tells you what comes included. And the theme this month is glam all over the world. At the back of the card, it has all their social media information. They have a little sticker right in the middle of the box, and it says, "We don't do basic." And this box was actually recommended to me by one of my subscribers, so thanks for recommending this. So it comes wrapped up in a little pink paper, wrapping paper. It's well packaged, so no breakage, and they even have a little bit of tinsel in here. Ooh, this feels like a party. Alright, so let's see what I got this month. So I have a Rude Cosmetics palette, and this is called London, and it's 14 colors of eyeshadow, and this runs $12. It does have a mirror included, and it's 14 shades. Holy moly, that's a lot of shades. Very pale pink there. And I get a shimmery pink. They feel almost like a cream to powder, but not really very creamy. That's like a blush pink. Oh wow, that's pretty copper. Ooh, I like that one. Wow, it's intense. That one you can barely see. Alright, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the top row. Ooh. Wow, that's a little bit too much shimmer for me. Whoa, that is not what I expected from that. Not even close. And the last color. Okay, so that's... So I went in, it's like a greenish, goldish color. And I just put it on the very edge. Then I went in with a deep brown on the inner edges. So I went in with the deep red right next to the brown. And then I went in with a little bit of the pink on the inner corner. I gotta say, I feel like a peacock. Like, it's just like so many colors. It's very subtle until you get really close. Then you're like, wow, there are a lot of colors in there. But yeah, I'm definitely intrigued by this palette. There's definitely a lot of ways you can go. But so far, I'm happy. Very subtle, but very complex coloring, I think, anyway. Alright, I got an eyeliner, and this is actually like their own eyeliner. It's a Glitz Glam Box eyeliner, and it's in the color Genie. Ooh. And this is like a gold eyeliner. I've never seen an eyeliner like these before. Straight up here. Let's put it on and see how it makes. Oh no! I think I went a bit too ham with that. I just got this pencil. Alright, so I went in with the gold eyeliner on my top and bottom lashes. And it went on really smoothly, really soft. So it's easy to work with. I gotta say, I love this gold eyeliner. Never in my life would I have thought it would work, but it does. Oh, look at this. These are Milante Beauty lashes. And these are called Jealous. And this runs $2.99. I'm not going to come too close because I did a shitty job. But this is what it looks like. It's super light. They went on fine. I can barely feel them. I can see them, but they're really cute. They're not like extra. They're just just enhance everything that's already there. There is a glitter shot. There was no price listed on this. I'm assuming it's like $2-3. Yeah, it's just loose glitter. Maybe I'll just tap some over here as a little highlighter. Whoa. Well, this just went from like a normal look to extra. Yep, I knew I was gonna do it. I just couldn't give you guys a close-up. This is definitely a look. Oh, this glitter just took it to a whole new level. I'm just like, whoa, dude. So that's my March unboxing of Glitz Glam Box. I spent $15 and I got roughly about $30 worth of stuff. I gotta say it was good. This is definitely an interesting look. Very glamorous, very glitzy, very glittery. As you can see behind me, I still have a lot more boxes to open up. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.